Now we are starting from the number 1, which is the land registry. So when we get to the land registry, it's not just all about looking out for the name of the owner on the paper or the name of the allottee or the original allottee on the paper. There are other things that we also check. You check the building plan, you check the purpose, and also check if the owner also has paid ground rent and other rates on the property. These things you check at the land registry. Secondly, being the company registry. If the land is being owned by a company, after confirmation at the land registry, you need to go to the Corporate Affairs Commission. In Nigeria, the Corporate Affairs Commission is in charge of company registration. You go to Corporate Affairs Commission and also conduct a search. One, to know if the company exists. Secondly, who are the directors? And also thirdly, and for you to know if there is a resolution that authorized such sale. These are the things you check out for in the company registry. Then we'll go to the third one, which is the probate registry. When the devolution involves an estate of a deceased person, you go to the probate registry to know if actually there was a probate and also find out who are the administrators of the estate. It will help you to know if actually the person you are buying with, if you are dealing with the right persons. Then number 4 is the traditional evidence. In traditional evidence, it involves a lot of things. Maybe the devolution, maybe it's a family land. That traditional evidence will also show you need to visit the particular town or village or particular family, ask questions to actually know if the family they are in agreement with the person selling to you, if you have such authority from the family to sell to you. These are the information you can find from the family. Then we'll also talk about physical inspection. Physical inspection also entails a lot of things. It will help you to also know if actually what you are buying is the exact size of land, the beacons and all that. You find out if they are in order and they're correct the way it's supposed to be. You cannot know this unless you visit the land physically. Then the final one is the court judgment. You also go to court. You can apply for the CTC of court judgment for you to know actually if maybe the matter has been a subject of litigation, you know what transpired. Also, like in Nigeria, there's this practice when you visit the particular site in question. You will also notice that a sort of caveat on the land. They will tell you that this land is not for sale. The reasons be that maybe there's a litigation which you don't know, and you will go and buy not knowing that there's an issue on the land which have not been sorted out. Viewers, these are the things that you should do and places you should visit in order for your due diligence to be complete. Viewers, if you learned anything new from this video, please subscribe to this channel and share to those who may need it.